Now we are doing exercise 5.6. In that we came on equation 4. Simplify the following using p square minus q square is equal to p plus q and p minus q. We can use also this vice versa only. Okay. First is given as 38 square minus 12 square means what? 38 minus 12 and 38 plus 12 we can write like this way. One time addition and one time subtraction. 38 minus 12 is equal to 26 and 38 plus 12 is equal to 50. So 26 plus 50 is equal to 1300. That is your answer. Now second, 65 into 55. 65 is equal to what? 60 plus 5 and 55 is equal to what? 60 plus minus 5 you will get. So it is first term square means a square minus b square. 60 square is equal to 3600 and 5 square is equal to 25. So if you will get subtraction, you will get 3575. Okay. So here we can write one time 43 minus 17 and 43 plus 17. Okay. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 0, 4 plus 6. So ये 60 हुआ. Now subtraction. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Right. So 26 into 60 is equal to 1560. Okay. Now similarly 100.4 into 99 into 6 given. So 100 plus 0.4 is equal to 100.4 and 100 minus 0.64 is equal to 99.6. So we can write what? 100 square minus 0.4 square. 100 square means what? 40 minus 0.4 square become what? 0.16. So what we will get answer? Subtraction 9999.84 would be your subtraction. Okay. Now E number is given as a 15 square minus 10 square. So what you write? 15 minus 10 and 15 plus 10. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 and 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. So 25 5s are 125 would be your answer. Try to do it yourself only. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the value of A if. In this sum we have to find out the value of A. So what we can write? 12 into A is equal to, we can write 50 square minus 38 square. So we can write 12 into A is equal to 1 time 15 minus 38 and here 50 plus 38. So we can say 12 into A is equal to 15 minus 38 is equal to 12 into 50 plus 38 become what? 88. So your 12 and 12 would be cancelled it out and your A is equal to 88. Like this way you will get the answer. Now here B number is given as a 23A is equal to 68 square minus 45 square. So this step is given. So what you can write? 23 into A is equal to 68 minus 45 and 68 plus 45. So 23 into A is equal to 8 minus 5 3 2. 23 we got it into 8 plus 5 13 1 11. Right. So we get 23 cancel it out and you got A is equal to 113. Right. Now question number 6. Here we have to use the suitable identity. So what we can write? Here 2 times is there. So we can write 96 square minus 4 square upon 96 minus 4. So what we can write? 96 minus 4 and 96 plus 4 upon 96 minus 4. So 96 minus 4 and 96 minus 4 will be cancelled it out and would be answer what? 96 plus 4 is equal to 100. Okay. Now similarly we are doing the C number. It is same of the first one. So here same we are doing 103 square minus 3 square upon 103 plus 3. So what we can write? 103 minus 3 and 103 plus 3 upon 103 plus 3. We can putting in a bracket. This would be cancelled it out. Answer would be 103 minus 3 is equal to 100 would be our answer. Okay. Same sum, same answer. Now here also same number is given. So we can write 5.27 square minus 0.27 square upon 554. So what we can write? 5.27 minus 0.27 and 5.27 plus 0.27 upon 554. Again cutting is not possible. So what we can write? 5.27 minus 0.27 we are getting 5.00, right, into 5.27 plus 0.27 we are getting 5.54 only, divided by 5.54. So this would be cancel it out, answer would be 5 only. 5.00 means what? 5 only. Okay, so here what is given? A square, matlab same digit square 2 times, so we can write here 4.5 square minus 2 into a into b is given, so we can write minus 2 into 4.5 and 1.5 is given, and here 1.5 square is given. Here similarly is given 4.5 square plus 2 into 4.5 into 1.5 plus 1.5 square. So what can we write over here? 4.5 minus 1.5 whole square upon 4.5 plus 1.5 square. So 4.5 minus 1.5, what we are getting? 3.0 matlab 3 square, right? Downside 4.5 plus 1.5, so 4, 5 and 6 square, so become what? 3 2s are 6, we will get 1 square is equal to 1, and here 2 square is equal to 4, so we will get 1 upon 4 would be our answer. See, 4.5 minus 1.5 is equal to 3, 4.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, whole square happen, both the side square is here, so 1 square is equal to 1 only, and 2 square is equal to 4. Like this way we got the answer. Okay, now students, it is very important sum. Okay, 7th number, if x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5, find the values of x square plus 1 upon x square and x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. So what we are going to do it now, look it is very important question. We have that x upon x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5, and here we want square, so what we are doing, we are putting both the sides square. So what we can say, we can write in a bracket squaring both the side, we are doing square both the side. Okay, so here a minus b whole square is there, so what we can write, first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square is equal to, here 5 square is equal to 25. So what will become, here x and x would be cancel it out, so we can write x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square is equal to 25. Now these two will go another side, so what will become, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 25 plus 2. So we got here x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 27. That is our first answer. Understood this much? Now from this we have to go for the another one. What is that? We have now x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 27. Again we are doing the squaring both the side, because we want now 4. So we are doing squaring both the sides. So what will become, x square raised to square plus 2 into x square into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square का भी square plus z and is equal to 27 square is equal to what? 729. So what we get, x raised to 4 plus x square we cancel it out, plus 2 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is equal to 729. Now x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is equal to what? 729. This 2 will go this much, become what? Minus 2. So we got as answer x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is equal to 727. That would be the second answer. Understood this one? Just we have to do squaring both the side, we will get the final answer. Okay, please try this type of sums